Remember a while back when I bought this RC, I said I was going to do something stupid and probably end up destroying it? Today is the day. We're making rocket car. The question is, I thought I was going to do 2, but I don't think 2 is going to fit. This is a big motor, man. These are some big motors. Oh, you know what? Maybe 2 will fit. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. I got something for you, Rusty Screws RC. He does all those like EDF jet things in his cars. Yeah. Well, today we're doing a little something here. Now, how can I do this? I think those 2 need to be like, oh man, I may as well not even worry about the dang remote there. I don't think there'll be any steering this thing. Well, maybe there can be. Maybe there will be. I hope this works. No! Neither one? Come on. That sucks, man. I really wanted to blow off too. But... oh, shit. Woo! Asymmetric thrust. Oh man, I didn't think it was gonna go. See what happens now. Oh, this might be the dumbest thing I've done. Guys, well, we didn't destroy it, but it looks like crap. Rocket car! Well, who knew? We didn't know how this thing was gonna go. Well, it was funny. Scared the living crap out of me when it started doing circles and came back at me. Well, I hope you appreciated and enjoyed watching me destroy and melt down this car. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.